Hello, today you will learn about
Bonjour à tous.
In this video I am going to tell you how to ask questions in French by using.
Est-ce que?
We use it without using interrogative pronoun. It is easy way for asking question in French. The word order of the sentence remains the same, only we just add
Est-ce que?
in front of it. We just start the question with
Est-ce que?
and then put a sentence as it is. This method is used when we want to translate a sentence in a question such as, do you? Or does he? Or have you? Are you? When there is no interrogative pronoun such as, who are you? Where did you? French people use this method more often for asking questions. For example, if you want to say, are you Spanish? You put in this order, you are Spanish. Then add
Est-ce que?
So in French it would be written like this.
Est-ce que vous êtes espagnol?
It can also be used with a question word like
Quand, qui, ou est-ce que? Par exemple. Où est-ce que tu? Qu'est-ce qu'il? Quand est-ce qu'elle?
But in this video we are using it without interrogative pronoun. Let's see example with
Est-ce que?
and normal sentence in front of it. For example, are you going to the library in the evening? So in French it would be translated as
Est-ce que tu vas à la bibliothèque le soir?
another example. Is she coming to the restaurant with us? So in French it would be written like this.
Est-ce qu'elle vient au restaurant avec nous?
Next example. Are you eating at the restaurant with your family today? So in French it becomes
Est-ce que vous mangez au restaurant avec votre famille aujourd'hui?
Let's look more example. Did she go to the swimming pool yesterday? So in French it would be written as
Est-ce qu'elle est allée à la piscine hier?
another example. Have they finished their work? So in French it would be translated as
Est-ce qu'ils ont terminé leur travail?
if they is feminine plural, then in French it becomes
Est-ce qu'elles ont terminé leur travail?
example. Do you like oranges? So in French it becomes
Est-ce que vous aimez les oranges? Ou Est-ce que tu aimes les oranges?
example. Do they have children? So in French it becomes
Est-ce qu'ils ont des enfants?
that's all. Hope you have understood the use of.
Est-ce que?
Now you can use it properly without any confusion.
Likez la vidéo, abonnez-vous à la chaîne et partagez la vidéo. À bientôt.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for next video.